Hey everyone! So many a times we find ourselves in situations where we have to tell people that we hate something. But when you just say it like that, as in I hate it, it kind of sounds direct, right? And also a bit impolite. Also, aren't you tired of using the same phrases over and over again? So that's why we are going to take a look at a few alternatives that you can use. So the first one is I don't appreciate it. Yeah, so instead of saying I hate it, you could use this, which is a bit more polite. So you could say, I don't appreciate the way she talked to me today. The next one is, I'm not so keen on. Yeah, all of this has the same meaning. It's just that you don't like it. So when you say, I'm not so keen on, let's say, attending the party, it means you don't really want to. Yeah, you don't really like to attend the party. So that is, I'm not so keen on. The next one is, I'm not fond of. Yeah, I'm not fond of. So it has the same meaning. So for example, you could say, I am not fond of spicy food. All right. Now, the next one is, I'm not crazy about. I am not crazy about. So it has the same meaning like I said before. So you could use this with the same example. I'm not crazy about spicy food. Or you could say, I'm not crazy about going to the theater today. All right. Now, the next one is, it's not my cup of tea. All right. So when somebody invites you to something, you could just say, it's not my cup of tea. So this is a common idiom that people use as well. It just means the same thing, that you don't particularly like it. Yeah. So you can say, it's not my cup of tea. Now we're going to move on to phrases which are a bit more intense, all right, as opposed to the ones that we discussed previously. So the first one is, I am sick of it. I am sick of listening to you complain all day. It means I can no longer take it. Yeah, I just absolutely hate it. Same meaning. So it is, I am sick of it. So the next one is, I've had enough. All right. For example, I've had enough of your silly games. All right. Now, the next one is, I can't bear it. Yeah. For example, I can't bear the way he shouts. It all means the same thing. It's just that you absolutely hate. So I hope the video has been helpful. And if you need to know more about the courses that we provide here at English House, do click on the link below.
English House. English at your fingertips.